Weche mag tuke ni kambi mar Kenya Breweries kokalo kuom math mar Tusker biro siro Kenya Rugby Union gi kwan omenda maromo siling milion 15 motelo ne tuke mag Safari Sevens kod Victoria Rugby Tournaments. Tuke mag Safari Sevens go biro timore Ngong e kind tarik 17 kod 19 dweni, ka tuke mag Victoria Cup madhi timore Kisumu Jumamos bende dhi yudo pok mar omendano. Jata tije mar KBL Marco City nowacho ni giikore mar medo siro tuke mag rugby e Thurka.
We want to revive it. It's already revived now. Safari Sevens is going to be a big event, not as big as it used to be. So you have the best teams in Africa there. In Africa, Samurai, we have Apache, we have the German national team, we have Red Whalers, Tropic Sevens, KCB Rugby, who are Kenya's 7th champions.
Great to be back as Tusker. As you know, rugby is a sport that stirs passion and unity. I'm sure all of you are fans, so you understand what I mean when I say passion. And it's left a big mark on the Kenyan nation, but also the fact that Kenya is able to get onto the map, the world map and the global map, because of its performance.